Alright, so I hope you didn't, and I'm going to show you kind of a shortcut or a different way, but if you like your old way, you can continue using it. But here we go. What is my greatest common factor? Well, I have a to the fourth, a squared, and a to the third. Okay, a to the fourth, a squared, and a to the third. So what's the most of the a's that I could pull out? I could pull out 2 at most from all the groups. If I'd used 4, I can't pull 4 from only 2. So let's look. B's. I have 3 B's here, 3 B's here, the end, 2 B's. But do I have any B's here? No. And since every term doesn't have a B, I can't put a B as my greatest common factor. So my greatest common factor is only a squared. So what does that leave me left over in each group? I'm going to divide this one by a squared. I'm going to divide this one by a squared. And I'm going to divide this one by a squared. We always divide by our greatest common factor. So a to the fourth divided by a squared leaves me a to the second. I bring down my plus sign, and then I do the next section. A squared b squared divided by a squared. What happens? The a squareds cancel out. What do I have left over? B squared. And I bring down my plus sign next, and I do the last one. A cubed b cubed divided by a squared. What do you think you would have? I have 3 a's on the top and 3 b's over 2 a's. So a set of a's, 2 sets of a's cancel, leaving me a b to the third. So in these, I didn't write out the entire thing to find the greatest common factor. I like to do that because I can see what actually cancels, or you can just use division. Okay? Let's look at the next one. I know that because both of these don't have the same variable, I won't be able to pull out any variables. All I can pull out are numbers. Well, I'm going to think in my head. I need to think about the largest number that divides 16 and 4. Let's think about that. 4 divides 4. Does 4 divide 16? It does. So my greatest common factor is 4. But because this is a negative 16, I'm going to put a negative 4. And I'm going to put a parentheses. I'm going to divide this by negative 4, and I'm going to divide this one by negative 4. So in the first section, negative 16a divided by negative 4, a negative divided by a negative leaves you positive 4a. For positive 4b, always use the sign in front, divided by a negative 4 leaves you a negative 1b. Do you need to write the negative 1? No, you could just write negative 4, parentheses, 4a minus b. Can you check your work? Of course you can. Together these give me negative 16a and negative 4b. Whoops, a negative times a negative makes that a positive. And do I have the right answer? Yes. So I know that my answer is correct. I hope your answer was correct. In the next few slides, we're going to take this and instead of just using 2 or 3 terms, we're going to use 4 terms. Good luck and do your best.